this side Vijay Kumar, and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting and informative video. Today we are going to see shortcut for autofilter. The technique which we are going to discuss today is going to help you analyze your data, visualize your data in more effective and fastest way. Without further ado, let's quickly jump into the Excel file. So this is the Excel file on which I'm going to work Global Superstore 2016, and I'm sure you guys know from where I have downloaded this. If you don't, you can check out my previous video. Link is available in the description below. In those videos I have mentioned from where I have downloaded this file. This is an open source data provided by Microsoft. So we are going to apply filter on this data sets. So to apply filter on this data sets, what generally people do, they go on data tab, then they go and click here filter. This is what they do. And let's say in this data sets I want to see the data where ship mode is first class. Okay, so I will go here and uncheck from here and check this first class and click OK. This way I have filtered only first class data. Let me just open the filter. To apply filter on this data set, we have a shortcut key which generally people know, Control Shift L, which will apply filter. So, however, it has applied filter, but it has not filtered what I wanted, like first class. Now I can go here and I can apply filter from here. So this is what is the shortcut key which generally people know. So I'm going to tell you now the shortcut of shortcut. So just consider that this is the state of our data set. On this data sets we just want to see first class ship mode. So the shortcut key of shortcut for auto filter is here. So I will go and say filter first class. See, it got filtered first class. It has filtered first class only. See guys, first class ship mode. All right, now let's say multiple filters I want to apply. So segment, I just want to see consumer. So I will say filter consumer. And you can see here, this filter is still available. And here I have applied consumer as I said. Let's say few more filters I want to apply on it. Let's say I just want to see United States country. I can say filter United States. So it has filtered United States. All right, so let's go towards right side and let's see what all we have something to filter. Yes, we do have a column order priority. Let's say high order priorities I want to filter. So let's say filter high. All right, so if you see here, so what we are looking right now, we are looking first class ship mode where segment is consumer and country is United States and order priority is high. All right, so you can see the count we have 352. So the technique which I have used here, I'm going to reveal that, and using that technique you can be productive when you are working on large set of data and there you are applying multiple level of filters and you are analyzing something. It is looking like a magic, but it is not magic. I will tell you how I did it. What I have done here in my quick access toolbar, this is my quick access toolbar. Here I have added auto filter and that filter I was applying. Add this auto filter in your quick access toolbar. You can go in this drop down. You can click here more command, and in more command we are in the popular command section. But this auto filter technique is not popular so far, so you can go here and click all commands. But I'm sure after watching this video it will get popular. By pressing A, we moved in the section of command which start from A. Let's go down and you can see here auto filter classic. This is the classic feature which I have added in my quick access toolbar. You can see here it was added. So let me delete this and add it. So I have deleted that. Now I will click here and say add. So now it got added. So I can move the position of this command. So let me keep it on top. All right, so just click OK. This is the way you can also add auto filter classic feature in your quick access toolbar, and you can apply multiple filters on your data sets. So that's all for today's video.
उम्मीद है आप लोगों को मजा आया होगा। अगर आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा उनके साथ जो करियर में ग्रोथ चाहते हैं और मेहनत से नहीं घबराते हैं। और हाँ, अगर ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात है तो नीचे दिए हुए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर जोर से हिट कीजिए। आपसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी विद वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग।